Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be playing another FNF Mandela Catalogue mod because there are just so many, and I guess, sure, okay, yeah, I guess that's just my goal now, play them all. Okay, driving to madness. You left him, okay, so I'm guessing is this probably the, ending of, what's it called, Volume 2 of Mandela Catalogue, where Jonah is driving away and something happens. I assume he dies, because that's just what I always assume. Just death happened, because yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
What the? What's that thing? Oh! I'm gonna hate this. How am I supposed to play? Oh, God! Yeah. I didn't expect some detective stuff around here. I wasn't expecting that whenever I went into this. I wasn't expecting the notes to be moving around, or the keys to be moving around, or whatever. That just caught me off guard. And then there's that thing, which I don't recall being in that, but sure, it can if it wants to.
Three, two, one, go!
Though the art style of Jonah in this reminds me a lot of the Mandela Catalogue version of Okay, so this isn't that hard to do. Okay, the road is moving. Okay, this guy. Okay, there's been nothing in George there. Moving that might kill me. What is that? What is Yeah, I'm assume he died. Bye, Jonah. I'm guessing you're dead now. Well, that sucked. Jonah died. Let's just see something. Oh, that's what the death icon looked like, the defeat icon, but I wasn't actually expecting that. To be a second song. Well, great, just make the video longer. Yeah, I don't trust this. Is this copyrighted? Please, someone tell me, is it copyrighted? I want to know, because...
Getting freaky on a Friday night, yes.
Don't trust that. I get the feeling it's copyrighted. It's like copyrighted or something. So, if someone can tell me at some point, if it's not or anything, then I might actually play it and stuff. But yeah, that's that. I don't trust that other thing. Then that's that. I have no idea what I think about it. It's something. But yeah. I like the art style. The song wasn't bad. Honestly, the alternate, I assume that was like outside the car. The sprite, like, I think I understand how they did it. Like, it was like girlfriend was like the girlfriend sprite was like the body. This is at least why I think, and then like the head was like the opponent's sprite, the opponent's character. So yeah, that's just my guess on that. But yeah, it was a bit wonky at some points, but yeah, not that bad. And yeah. So if you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe if you want. You don't have to. I would appreciate it though, because I'm Friday night, yes. I don't even know what I'm trying to do. I don't know, okay. But yeah, I hope everyone has fun today, and I'll see you on the next video. But don't leave yet, because I have something to show you all. This is something that I've been working on recently, and it's not done yet, but I hope everyone likes it once it's done. And here it is.